In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from QuickBooks to Zoho Books. We're going to use Data Switcher, a trusted service that specializes in moving accounting data safely between platforms. This approach helps keep your books intact while reducing manual cleanup. Before we dive in, it's helpful to know what to expect. You'll identify your current system, select your destination, and let Data Switcher guide the rest. For a smoother experience, make sure you have admin access, know which QuickBooks edition you use, and have a recent backup or export handy. It's also smart to plan the migration outside peak business hours so your team isn't disrupted. Start by visiting dataswitcher.com. Use a modern browser and ensure you're on the official site. On the homepage, you'll see clear options focused on accounting migrations and helpful resources about supported products and data coverage. Next, click Get Started. This takes you into their guided process so you can begin your move with confidence. You'll be prompted through simple choices rather than having to piece things together yourself, which is great for staying organized and avoiding mistakes. From there, click Migration Request. This page is where you formally tell Data Switcher what you're moving from and where you're moving to. It helps their team prepare the right pathway and timelines for your data. You may see fields that ask for high-level information about your company and your accounting setup. Provide only what's requested and keep sensitive credentials secure until you're directed to their official, secure connection steps. When you're asked what you want to convert from, choose QuickBooks. If you're prompted to specify the exact flavor, such as online or desktop, and your region, select the option that matches your environment. Accuracy here ensures your chart of accounts, taxes, customers, vendors, and transactions are mapped correctly. Then for the future system, choose Zoho Books. This tells Data Switcher how to structure your data on the other side. Depending on your configuration, items like multi-currency, tax codes, inventory, and attachments may have specific handling rules. If you rely on features like payroll or custom fields, take a moment to review Data Switcher's documentation so you know what will be included and what might need a post-migration check. Once your request is in, Data Switcher will follow up with secure instructions to access your QuickBooks data and connect to your Zoho Books organization. After the migration completes, review balances, a few sample invoices and bills, and key reports in Zoho Books to confirm everything looks right. And that's it. You've set yourself up for a clean, confident move from QuickBooks to Zoho Books using Data Switcher.